Student here at JTech in Jacksonville, Florida. We're in the diesel program. And in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get the flash codes off of your system and what to do to look those up, so you can kind of troubleshoot what problems you're having. A few of the tools we'll need for this one are pretty simple this time. We just need our pen and our notebook. We're going to write these codes down. They're going to flash quickly on the dash, so you're going to have to pay attention. Once you have them written down, we'll move over to the computer, and you have to have the internet so we can pull this up and look up the flash codes. So we're going to move over to the vehicle now, and then we're going to start checking out what codes we've got. Now that we're in the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and pull the flash codes. The first step to do that is going to be to turn the key into the on position, and then we're going to push the code button, which will cause the lights on the dash to flash in the pattern. Then we'll write those down, go to the computer, and look up what the flash codes are trying to tell us. So let's take a look at that. Alright, so we'll put the key in the ignition. Alright, it's gone through its checks there. I'm going to push the button here, and then we'll watch the dash. And it's going to flash with these codes. It's going to give us 2 digits per code, and so we just have to write these down as they go, and then once it goes through the whole system, it'll repeat the pattern. Alright, as you can see, it's back to the initial pattern, so it's just going to repeat. So we're going to go ahead and stop the video here. We're going to go and take the codes we've written down, and we're going to look these up on our list of codes for this engine, and we'll see what we've found. So here you see we've got our codes. There's about 10 of them. We've got them written down. Our next step is to go over to our tablet or our laptop, and we're going to go to Detroit Diesel's website. That's the engine we've got into this vehicle, and we're going to look up these codes. It's pretty straightforward. It's just DetroitDiesel.com, and then you can do a search and pull up the codes for your series of engine right there. We've got a Series 5060 engine, and it's just going to give us a list of codes. So we can look through these. Like one of our codes was 34, so we can scroll down, and it says turbo boost sensor voltage low. So using that code, we can then do some research. We can do some troubleshooting on our turbo boost sensor and try and diagnose this problem. We can also look up, we had another code of 54. We'll scroll down, and number 54 is a vehicle speed sensor fault. So right there we can take that, and we can do some research and do some troubleshooting on the vehicle and narrow down the cause of these problems. So we see this is a great way to locate some problems quickly, easily, try and diagnose problems that you may be experiencing. it's a pretty straightforward process of finding those codes, looking them up, and the data's out there. It's pretty simple to find that on Detroit's or CAT's or whatever engine you have. Simply look up the model and you'll be able to find those fault codes no problem. Very easy to find them off your dash. It's really straightforward. So hopefully this video has been some help to you. If you have any comments, leave them in the section below. Thanks and have a great day.